You're gonna love these old-fashioned buttermilk butterswim biscuits. They have crispy edges, a fluffy inside, and so easy you'll want them every weekend. In a bowl, whisk together flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Just the basics, some simple pantry staples. Then pour in cold buttermilk and stir until a sticky dough forms. There's no kneading, no rolling, and this recipe keeps it really easy. Then melt a full stick of butter and place that in a baking dish. Drop the dough right into that hot butter and then gently spread it out to the edges. Cut the dough into 9 squares so that they'll pull apart easily after baking. Bake until golden brown and crispy on the edges. Serve them warm with jam, honey, gravy, or alongside your favorite dinner or breakfast. Full printable recipe is linked at whiskfulcooking.com.